Here we are going to see how to create the project in the GCP. Okay, first before practicing on the hands-on, we need to create one of the project. In that only you have to use all the resources and all. Okay, first to create the project, what we need to do is first we need to go to the top. You have the option called my project option is there, right? Click on my first project. Click on my first project. After clicking here, then you have the option called new project is there. Okay, after clicking that, this small window is going to come for you. In this, you have to click on the new project. So click on the new project. After clicking on the project, by defaultly there one project name is going to display there by defaultly. If you want, you can change it. Okay. So here what you can observe is once the project was created, this project ID won't change. That you have to remember. But now you can make the changes to the project ID also. So if otherwise, if you want this default project ID, you can keep, or if you want to change, you can change by hitting the edit option. Okay. Now what you can do is for the first time here, I'm going to remove the by default name which they have given. For example, I'm going to keep like my project. I'm going to keep my project. I'm going to keep simply I'm going to keep my project. Then if you want to keep any numbers, you can keep the numbers also. Like I'm going to keep 1620001. You can keep anything you can keep. So I'm going to keep my project 1620001. I keep. Okay. Next, if you see here what they are telling, the project ID is globally unique identifier for your project. Okay. So you cannot change the project ID after the project is created. Once the project is created, then you are not allowed for you to change this project ID. Now you can change it. So how you can change before creating the project is you can just click on the edit button. So edit button is there. Now here you can change your project ID. Okay, for example, I'm going to keep my project ID like my project ID. I'm going to keep hyphen 200116. Let us take, I'm going to keep my project ID like this. Okay. Now you just click on the create button. Then for you, project is going to create. Okay. Simply here in the location, don't keep any location. You just keep no organization. Okay. Finally, you have to click on the create button. Then what is going to happen for you? The project is going to create it for you. For example, if I'm going to click, so here what is happening? If you see here, my project is going to be created. Now see here, just now the my project 1620001 project was created. This is my project name, right? So if you click on my projects, then you can see your project was created. If you see here the first one, your project was created, right? With your project ID, which I was mentioned, right? So up to now we have seen how to create the project in the GCP. In the next class, we will see the further concepts. Thank you.